share with you this wonderful gift. I want to call it a flower bouquet, but it's something so much more than a flower bouquet, as you can see. I believe there are sweets and chocolates and all kinds of goodies. This was given to me by Rowena Coelho. They're here in Dubai, and you can visit them at their website or Instagram. And basically I paid a visit to them and I saw their store. They do flowers, as you can see there's beautiful flower arrangement here, beautiful roses, and they also do a lot of gifts, from baby showers to corporate events to basically any event that you may have. I'm going to try and open each and every little one of these boxes and hats that are on here and see what goodies I have inside them. Okay, right here. And let's see. A big thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to visit my store and help me grow. Kind regards, Rowena Coelho. Thank you so much, Rowena. I can't wait to taste what we have here. Okay, so first of all, where do we start? Okay, let's start with this first. Okay, so we've got this little hat here, and I believe you open it up here. Oh, look at that! So you can keep this, and inside here is, oh, it's a date. It's a date, and it's got pistachios in it. Yum! So we can try that. So this is nice, right? We can keep this. I can put maybe rings or necklaces inside here. Very good idea, gift idea. What else is there? This one here too. What's in the other box? Ah, okay. So this is another date here, and this one is also with pistachios, I believe. Right. What else? Ooh, what is this? This looks like some kind of like peanut snap. Oh, open one up for me already. So it's like a peanut snap with like flowers on it or something. Let's try this one first actually. It's definitely flowers. It's really nice. It's really nice. I think this is rose petals. It's so nice. Smell and the taste. I like it. Like peanut brittle with rose petals. So nice. So it's date with pistachio stuffed in it. That's such an interesting combination because the date is obviously really sweet. Pistachio is like salty. I love that. Oh my gosh, look at that! Look at how pretty that is! That's actually a sparrow, and these are tulips, and this is soap, carved soap. So you can get them to do this for you, and it's like on a little nest glove. Oh, how pretty is that? Everything is so pretty. Look at this chocolates. Look at this chocolate. Can you see? Oh, look at the heart shape and the flower. Oh, okay, you can see it's chocolate. It's definitely chocolate. It's a heart chocolate. Oh, it's so. Yay, more chocolate. Yum. I wish I could like keep them forever and they could just stay like this forever. So beautiful to look at. So thank you so much, Rowena, and if you want any ideas, you can just go to them and speak to them and for consultation, and I'm sure they'll be able to help figure out something for you, personalized just for you, tailor-made. Alright? So thank you so much, Rowena, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my chocolates now.